Hi guys, welcome back to House of Cramel. I am Cramel, joined by my handsome husband, Charles. And we are the Forts. And we are excited today because something we've wanted to do for a very long time is about to happen. We are
done with these bathrooms.
It's actually been quite a journey. And one we really wanted to share with you, but we really didn't anticipate it taking this long. But we are excited to reveal the final look and remodel of all the bathrooms in our house, actually. Backstory, if you haven't looked at the part 1 video, make sure you look at it. If you haven't, I'll put the card up here. But we moved into a new house at the end of last year, and it's an older home, and we knew that once we got in here we would want to redo our bathroom. So that's exactly what we did. We had no idea what we were getting. Well, I didn't have any idea what we were getting into when we started this process, but I learned a lot. Did you learn a lot?
Yeah, I did. I really did.
So without further ado, here are our newly remodeled bathrooms in our home. I hope you enjoy this. We are enjoying this very much so, and yeah, let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, all of that, for more news on what's going on in House of Cramel, aka the Fort household, and just for more fun stuff.
And also, man, thank y'all for all the support. Thank y'all. It's been a long journey, so we've been waiting. And so here it is, I guess.
Here it is. Alright, you guys, we're going to start with a blast from the past. Here is what our guest bathroom used to look like. The old big light fixture and the oversized mirror that was placed on top of the vanity. The brown colors, all the tile everywhere, including the floor decals inside of the shower and the old shower fixtures. And here we are in the updated guest bathroom. We decided to go with a navy and gold theme in here and keep it white because I did like that. I got this navy and gold vanity from Wayfair, and I got the gold hardware from Lowe's. I also got this circle mirror from Lowe's, and the light came from Home Depot. I used gold shower curtain hangers and added this navy waffle patterned shower curtain as well. We also went with a weathered wood look on the floor, and this is just the white that we had that covered the old tile. And here's a look at the gold fixtures on the vanity as well. I want to say this is made by Moen. But yeah, we just wanted to go for a classic look, a classic clean look, and that is the new guest bathroom. Alright, so here's the old version of the family bath, aka my son's bathroom. Get a look at that old shower sliding door and frame, all the yellow tiled and the old shower fixtures and everything. Yeah. A look at the old light fixture and the medicine cabinet with that weird Q-tip holder on the inside, and also the white vanity. The same vanity was downstairs in the guest bathroom, but in a different color. Alright, here's a look at the new bathroom. I was inspired by a modern farmhouse look here, so that's why I went with the dark fixtures. I think it looks clean and beautiful. Have the same type of round mirror as I do down in the downstairs bathroom. And this vanity also came from Wayfair. I plan to change out those handles to a dark finish as well to match the rest of the bathroom. Here we changed the shower door to a bifold semi-frameless shower door. I love it. It gives me the flexibility to be able to bend over and bathe my son, but also keep a glass shower door inside of here. Here's just a look at the shelves and the soap dish. We have this identical setup in the guest bathroom downstairs. And here's just another look at the faucet that we chose. It's matte black and also made by Moen. And like I said, I plan to change these handles out to a darker finish one day. And I love this vanity because I can pull this drawer out so I can store things and get them out easily. And just here's another look at the weathered wood flooring, which I think complements the vanity very nicely. And we're going to add some shelving above this toilet. So that is my son's bathroom. And the grand finale. Here is what our master bathroom used to look like. Lots of Pepto-Bismol pink tile, a small little stall to shower in, pink inside of there too, and all of our stuff, and the old fixtures. Yeah, we were very excited to get rid of this. Very. Medicine cabinet and the mirror and the old lights, and of course the vanity. And here is what our master bathroom looks like now. It was really important that this bathroom felt like a spa experience. I wanted to be able to come in here and want to stay for a while. Let's face it, we spend a lot of time in the bathroom, so I wanted it to be pretty. We decided to go with gray and white with gold finishes, and to warm up the bathroom I went with a slightly warmer wood floor. As you can see, our very tall shower, I want to say they call this a 90 shower, so we took out that wall and just built a larger shower. It has gold fixtures. I love them. The door swings both out and inside. Also, you'll notice we went with a vein cut style marble look. And that is the soap dish and the two shelves that we had added inside of our shower. Again, these are the same faucets that I have down in the guest bathroom that I got up here. The mirror is gold rimmed as well. I got it from Lowe's. Yeah, I got that from Lowe's. And I started replacing the handles on the vanity with acrylic and gold finishes. These did not come on this vanity, but this vanity did come from Wayfair. And just to look at the cherry wood like floors, I can't remember the actual name of it. And these are our bathroom, folks. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to look at this video. Thanks for being on this journey with us. We will continue. I will be decorating all 3 bathrooms and doing videos for them when I do, but believe me, I am taking my time with it. In the meantime, we are going to enjoy our beautiful new bathrooms, and make sure you come back to House of Cramel to check in on us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.